heck? This package. Don't open until 1985. What the heck? Well, all right. Let's get to 1985. All right, guys, we have made it. 1985, baby. Oh, let's get out of here. Oh, let's get out of here. Oh my, what a crazy ride that was. All right, we decided to come inside. It's a little bit windy out, so much easier for everybody to see this. Again, a huge thanks to everybody that's follows, subscribes. We are eternally grateful. So here we are. Again, I've never received one of these before, but I've seen them before. This is a packaged by Rick card. I think most of the ones that come packaged by Rick, all the ones I've seen have had Rick's name on them. So thank you, Rick. I won't read this entire thing to you, but you can. All you have to do is Google it. It'll pop up, but a letter from the YouTube CEO, basically saying what an accomplishment that this is, which I agree. Very excited for this. So without further ado, in all its glory, yay. Let's get it out of the packaging here. It comes really well packaged. So there it is in all its glory. Silver play button to DeLorean Rental. It really has been a dream come true to be able to do this and bring the DeLorean to you guys on a daily basis. So thanks again. Look forward to more fun content in the future. Stick around, subscribe. It's going to be a fun ride. We'll see you on the next episode.